A very good morning to all of you. Today we are here to start another chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. You already have discussed about the fibers in your 7th class, but that fibers you have discussed that were natural fibers. So you have discussed about the natural fibers in your 7th class, and in 8th class we will discuss about the synthetic fibers and plastics. So let's start. Fibers. As you know that fibers are of two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers means man-made fibers, or you can say them artificial fibers. Natural fibers, these are the fibers which we obtained from nature. From where we obtained them? We obtained them from nature. That's why these are natural fibers. Like jute, like silk, like cotton, etc. You have discussed about these fiber in your previous class. Synthetic fiber, these are developed by man. Who developed them? Man. That's why these are named as man-made. That's why named as artificial fiber or synthetic fiber. But why there is a need to make the synthetic fiber if we have natural fiber? It is because to fulfill the over increasing demand of increasing population. As you know, the population is increasing day by day. So the natural fibers cannot fulfill the demand of the increasing population. So that's why man made these fibers and known as synthetic or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers basically क्या हैं? Synthetic fibers, in the synthetic fiber, many small units. These small units, these are the chemical units. These are to be combined to form a large unit. जैसे आप एक माला को देखो, a small single bead connected together and form a long string. It is just like that. A single pearl connected together with the another pearls and form a long string. In the same manner, in the formation of synthetic fiber, these small units combine together to form a long unit. And this small unit is known as monomer. And when they combine to form a long unit, that is known as polymer. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units joined together. Each small unit is called a monomer, and the large chain formed of many such monomer is called a polymer. Let's again discuss it with the help of this one. These are the small units. These are the small beads. And these small beads are known as monomers. When they join together, then they form a long string like that. Now it is known as polymer. So what is polymer? Polymer is a combination of monomers. Plastic and synthetic fiber are made from gained molecules. This is the gained molecules, means एक बहुत बड़ा molecule बन जाता है जिसमें छोटे छोटे molecules connected होते हैं. Joining together many thousands of smaller molecules called monomers makes these gained molecules. ये छोटे छोटे thousands of monomers they combine together to form these monomers. The gained molecule is called a polymer, as joining many small molecules together make it. And as you see here, poly means many, that's why the name is polymer. And very important word is here, polymerization. That means the formation of polymer with the help of these monomers is known as polymerization. So what is the definition of polymerization? It is a process of formation of polymer with the help of monomers. Now there are three important terms that you have to remember: monomer, polymer and polymerization. The first synthetic fiber that we will start to discuss, it is rayon. आपने नाम सुना होगा। फैब्रिक होता है रेयॉन, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क। ये बहुत सारी रील जो रेशम की तरह दिखाई देती हैं, रेशम is silk. So because it is not a natural fiber, it is man-made fiber, but it appeared like silk. That's why it is known as artificial silk. It is made by the end of 19th century. कब बना था? 19th century के end में. It is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. देखिए wood is a natural thing. So it is formed by the chemical treatment of wood pulp. Wood pulp में cellulose होता है उसमें. A natural fiber. Cellulose is a natural fiber. And because this fiber is made with the help of a natural fiber, hence it is called regenerated fiber. Regenerated fiber means इसको दोबारा generate किया गया क्योंकि इसका raw material natural था. That's why we call it regenerated fiber. It is a question in your exercise that why it is known as regenerated fiber. So the answer is simple, because its raw material is natural. And what is that raw material? That raw material is cellulose. So it gives silk like appearance. देखिए दिखने में भी लग रहा है कितना शाइन कर रहा है. It is giving silk like appearance. That's why it is called artificial silk. So again the question may be asked that why it is known as artificial silk. Answer will be simple, because it gives silk like appearance. Its uses: to make bed sheets, to make carpets, to make jackets, suits, dresses, hats, to make surgical products जो सर्जरी में यूज होता है, डॉक्टर्स यूज करते हैं, एंड टायर कॉर्ड, टायर के ऊपर कॉर्ड होती है. सो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेयॉन, देखिए दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट थिंग, यूजेस एंड प्रॉपर्टीज. प्रॉपर्टीज मीन्स what are the properties of these fiber, and uses means where we can use this fiber. So properties: it is comfortable, it is smooth and cool, it can be easily dyed into different color, we can give different color to it, it can absorb sweat. So these are the properties of rayon, and due to these properties it is very much used in a variety of field, as you can see here. The next fiber we will start in the next session. So I hope you understand this. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you, bete.